Hi everyone. So we at Bitscale kind of noticed that often SDRs do prefer to utilize Google Sheets to maintain their leads and operate on them. But obviously, the capabilities and the power of AI tools is something that they require. So to help them out and not to force them out of their comfort zone, we have set up a native integration with Google Sheets. And in this video, I'll just show you how you can set that up. Fairly simple. All you really need to do is first of all go to integrations just to make sure your Google Workspace is connected. Go to add integration, and here you would see an option for Google Sheets. Just click on that and sign in with Google. Alright, it asks you for some accesses, just allow and you're good to go. You can rename this, I'll just call it Google Sheets Integration Teams Account. Awesome, so the integration is done. The next step is I'll just create a sample grid here, where I'll go to new grid, go to find company, we'll look for companies with a head count in 51 to 200, and we'll just preview results. Alright, I do have the list available now. We'll import them into a new grid. Alright, now let's just imagine we want to send this data to Google Sheets. So we head back over to Enrichment here, search for Google Sheets, add or update row. You can select all of the Google Sheets or spreadsheets that are available in your Google account. For this, I'll just create a new one. We'll rename this as Bitscale test. Coming back here, I'll just reload the page. And Bitscale test should be available. We'll just select that. Select whatever sheet you want if you have multiple sheets inside the spreadsheet. And then select the action, which is adding the row here. You can also update rows, by the way. And then just get to mapping the fields. So right now I don't have any columns set up in that grid, so it would show empty. Let me just set that up and then come back here. Alright, so I've mapped the fields, created two fields now. It's basically the name and the LinkedIn, so where I want to pass the company name and the company LinkedIn. So I can also use AI to map the columns here. Perfect. So name is auto mapped to company name and LinkedIn is auto mapped to LinkedIn URL. In case there are some other columns that you want to map, you can do so, or simply remove them as well and just save that. And when you run, I'll run it for all rows here. This would push all the data to Google Sheets. So fairly simple, nothing too complicated here. We just wanted to add a layer of convenience for our SDRs and people who use our product, and would love to hear how you use this feature in your workflows. If you have any questions, reach out to us. Cheers, bye.